Hi there, my name is Steve. Today I'm going to talk about how I was able to use WhizLabs to help me quickly and efficiently prepare for AWS certification exams and pass them. First, let's log into WhizLabs. After logging in, you will be able to see your courses. The number one feature that I really value is that the format of the exam that you can see on WhizLabs UI is very close to the real exam that you are going to get. Say for total, there's a total of 65 questions. That's exactly true for the real exam. The number two feature that I really value is this explanation section. This section is so valuable. It's a big time saver. So in case if I pick any wrong answers, I don't need to hassle around to go elsewhere to look for the correct answers. This explanation section clearly listed out which one is correct and why they are correct, which one is wrong and why they are wrong. This is a huge time saver. And also, don't forget to use the promo code FisherCoder when you check out. Good luck with your test.